Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how to adjust personal sound. Let's get started. First we have to open our Skullcandy app and then click personal sound. Now you just have to click create new profile and then wear our headphones. Now you have to click get started and now you just have to click test your ears. This test will take 5 minutes, so don't worry, it will take some time. Now we have to click OK, and we have found our quiet place. Now you just have to set our birth date and click continue. Now we have to turn on our do not disturb mode and turn off audio effects. That's it. Now we have to click play noise. And if the loudness is comfortable, we have to click next. Now we have to click this button over there. And now we have to click all set. Now we have to click press to start. And if we don't hear the beep, we just have to click this button over there. And now we're ready for the test. Now I have to click start test. And now you have to do the same. If we hear the beep, we just have to hold our finger on this button. Now our app is testing our right ear. The test depends on our hearing wellness. Now we are testing our left ear. And now our hearing test is ready. Now our headphones will adapt to our hearing. Now we have to wait a moment. And now we can stop wearing our headphones. Now we can click finish. And now we have to scroll all the way down. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.